Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off sound on the keyboard on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you guys feel annoyed and disturbed because of sound on the keyboard, and every time you type on the keyboard there will be a sound of typing that always follow your type, and if you guys disturb about it, you can easily turn it off. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is, of course, now you can show your own keyboard on your cell phone like this. And then if you guys disturb of the sound of the keyboard, now you can turn it off by click on the left side of the keyboard like this. And then now you can click sound and vibration, and you can turn off the sound on key press, and it will not sounding you anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.